guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign. If you're new here and never been here before, this is your first time. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. So today, this is so weird because I am starting with my hair already styled with products. This is all about the shaping of my hair, from the drying process to how I achieve my shape. And just, a little secret between me and you can get whatever shape you want within reason. So maybe not whatever shape, but most shapes, the hair shape that you're looking for, you can fake it till you make it. Like if you don't have bangs, there's a way to make it look like you have bangs. There's so many different things that are slept on. Mostly just, I create the shape that I want. People ask me, how did you get your shape? Did you get a diva cut? What happened? What happened? I didn't do none of that. First, I cut my hair myself. And second, I just shape my hair the way I want to from everything that I do. I'm gonna be showing and demonstrating everything for you guys today. So as you can see, I already have the products in my hair. If you want to know what products I used, I will go ahead and have it linked up there. I am going to get my hair dry. I use a hair dryer and I'm gonna go ahead and bring that bad boy to make a guest appearance right here today. Okay, you guys, so this is my hooded dryer. I use this in pretty much almost all of my videos because I like my hair to be dry. I like to get on with the process. So this one is by Modern Elements. I'm gonna try to have it linked down below. If I can't find this exact hair dryer, because I've had it for years at this point, maybe like 5 years, if I can't find it, I will have something similar to it linked in the description box. But if I turn it to the side, it has a cool, a low heat and a high heat setting, and I don't play around, so you could guess what I'm using. High heat. It's already turned to high heat. I'm not playing no games. So I'm going to sit under this dryer and let my hair dry. It'll probably take maybe a little bit less than an hour, and then we can get on to the next step. Alright you guys, I'm back and this is what my hair looks like, completely dry, no stretching, no nothing. After sitting under the dryer, this is what my hair is looking like. I had to show y'all the before so you can see the difference that the after makes. Yes, I do have a side part, which I think I might just not do a side part and go ahead and get that big hair and do just like no part at all. That's what I'm thinking. But my hair is moisturized and all that jazz. But the next step, so now that my hair is completely dry, because I do not stretch my hair on wet hair at all. My hair is 100% dry. I just feel like it holds my curls better if my hair is already dry. That's something that I've been doing for years, and I just tried it one day and I was like, oh, this works, so why change it? So at this point, this is old trusty because I don't know how long I've had it, but it's been a while and it's never steered me wrong. It is the Infinity Pro Conair dryer. It's nothing really special about it except for that it's cheap and stuff like that. I have it linked down below, except that it doesn't break the bank and it gets the job done. So what I usually do is I have it on high speed, but then I put the temperature on warm and then I stretch my hair. I feel like I don't really need the temperature to be on hot because hot is like, my hair is already dry. I'm not trying to dry anything. I'm just trying to stretch it. So I don't want it to be on cool necessarily. You could if you want to, but I get the best stretch on warm to hot, but I typically do warm because it does the same thing as hot, but less heat. And if y'all have seen me before, this has been my routine for a while with the stretching when it comes to stretching. So I'm just gonna section it off on both sides. And now I'm just gonna get to stretching. What I do is I pull my hair and then I run the blow dryer. It's not on right now, but it will be. I run the blow dryer down the length of my hair and I just pull. I do not run it all the way through the ends because I would like to keep that wash and go look. It still is a wash and go. If you do the ends or if you go through the ends, it will look more blow dried. It won't look like a wash and go. It won't hold its shape. That is the worst thing you can do. So just focus on the roots, work your way down, and continue the process all over. I just had a whole moment. I don't typically use my diffuser to do this, so I don't know is stretching itself on out. So already my hair is bigger, which is the entire point, but you'll notice I didn't stretch my bangs because my bangs have gotten longer that they aren't really bangs so much anymore. So if I stretch them, it's gonna be all over my eye. It's already all over my eye, but it would be like down to here, and I can't get jiggy with that. So I'm just gonna flip my hair in all different directions to get the optimal stretch. But remember, I'm gonna not stretch my bangs. I didn't even know this was such a complex process. I've been doing it for so long, but here we are. I'm just gonna do a little pulling to get the gel cast out of my hair. So I would completely wear my hair like this because I think it looks cute. I think I'm getting good definition. So this is one way that I would wear it. So this will be it for the shape, but I ain't done yet today. I think I'm gonna do a middle part, God willing. Not a middle part, a no part, God willing. So typically this looks good, and then later on, maybe 2 to 3 days later, no part becomes easier because my hair is frizzier in a good way. Like, it has more volume, so I can make it look bigger and shape it the way I want. Right now, I don't know if it has enough volume, but we finna find out today. So I'm gonna take my pick. Y'all know you can't have a shaping video, natural hair shaping video without a pick. You must, you have to. I don't make the rules, but I do enforce them. So I'm just going to pick. I always pick the roots, never through the ends. That's like natural girl, natural person law, okay? So just at the roots to get bigger hair. Hair looking bigger already. So now I'm gonna attempt to get rid of this part. Like I said, typically I would do this on day 2 or day 3 when it comes a little more naturally, but I still think I can do it for the purpose of this video because my hair is giving me volume for days. Oh, that's a good watch ago. Oh, so I'm just going to kind of move it over and pick where the part is and pull it up. All right, so you guys see how my bangs are just a little bit over my eyes. Honestly, I can usually deal with this, but I don't want to deal with it today. And if you don't want to deal with it, here's a little tip that I learned. Oh, I don't like that sound. But I usually take these bobby pins. These are like jumbo bobby pins. I got them from Ulta. And I pull my bangs back and bobby pin them so that they don't fall down as far on my face. So kind of like that. Is that enough? Let me do a little more. Try to bobby pin them back here. See how that looks. Yeah, buddy. So I usually just take 2. All right, you guys, so these are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see how I shape my hair. I can't believe I haven't showed you guys this already, or I haven't comprised a video that includes everything about shaping my hair, but this is the general idea. If I didn't want to do the no part thing and I wanted to instead do the side part, I would just leave the part in. This was actually more work, and I thought it would be easier if I showed you this way so you would know how to do both ways, if that makes sense at all. So yeah, I love big voluminous hair. I was able to get this on day 1 through the use of the pick, okay? So comment down below if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.